the Shark Hair Dryer SpeedStyle Rapid Gloss Finisher. The Shark Hair Dryer SpeedStyle Rapid Gloss Finisher is a game changer in the world of hair styling tools. Combining cutting-edge technology with sleek design, this innovative device promises to deliver salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. After using it for several weeks, I can confidently say that it lives up to the hype and exceeds expectations in almost every way. Here's why the Shark SpeedStyle Rapid Gloss Finisher deserves a spot in your beauty routine. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about the Shark SpeedStyle Rapid Gloss Finisher is its modern, ergonomic design. It's lightweight, compact, and incredibly easy to handle, making it a joy to use even during longer styling sessions. The matte finish gives it a premium look, while the intuitive button layout ensures that switching between settings is effortless. The dryer also comes with two magnetic attachments, a concentrator nozzle for precise styling, and a smoothing finisher for that perfect glossy look. The magnetic attachments are a standout feature. They snap into place securely and are easy to swap out, even mid-styling. Performance. Where the Shark SpeedStyle truly shines is in its performance. It boasts a powerful motor that delivers high-velocity airflow, significantly reducing drying time compared to traditional hair dryers. Whether you have thick, curly hair or fine, straight strands, this dryer handles it all with ease. The 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings allow for complete customization, ensuring that you can tailor the drying process to your hair type and styling needs. The Rapid Gloss Finisher attachment is where the magic happens. It uses a combination of gentle heat and controlled airflow to smooth the hair cuticle, leaving your locks shiny, frizz-free, and salon smooth. I was amazed at how quickly it transformed my hair from dull and frizzy to sleek and polished. The concentrator nozzle, on the other hand, is perfect for targeted drying and styling, making it ideal for achieving volume or precision when working on specific sections of hair. Innovative features. One of the standout features of the Shark SpeedStyle is its HyperAIR intelligence technology. This innovative system monitors the temperature 50 times per second to prevent heat damage, ensuring that your hair stays healthy and protected. As someone with color-treated hair, I appreciate how gentle it is while still delivering professional results. Additionally, the dryer operates quietly, which is a huge plus for early mornings or late-night styling sessions. Another feature worth mentioning is the Cool Shot button, which locks in your style by cooling your hair quickly. This is particularly useful for setting curls or adding volume at the roots. The cord is also generously long, providing plenty of flexibility when moving around during styling. Ease of use. The Shark SpeedStyle is incredibly user-friendly. The magnetic attachments make it easy to switch between functions, and the lightweight design reduces arm fatigue. The dryer also comes with a handy storage case, making it perfect for travel or keeping your vanity organized. Cleaning the filter is a breeze, ensuring that the dryer maintains optimal performance over time. Value for money. While the Shark SpeedStyle Rapid Gloss Finisher is priced higher than some traditional hair dryers, it's worth every penny. The combination of advanced technology, versatile attachments, and salon-quality results makes it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their hair care routine. Plus, the durability and performance ensure that it will last for years, saving you money in the long run. Final verdict. The Shark Hair Dryer SpeedStyle Rapid Gloss Finisher is a standout product that delivers on its promises. It's powerful, versatile, and designed with the user in mind. Whether you're looking to reduce drying time, achieve a glossy finish, or simply upgrade your styling tools, this dryer is an excellent choice. It's perfect for all hair types and textures, and its innovative features set it apart from the competition. If you're ready to elevate your hair game, the Shark SpeedStyle Rapid Gloss Finisher is the tool you've been waiting for.